In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tackle the common problem of receiving system compatibility reports when using Adobe After Effects. This issue often stems from your graphics driver, operating system version, or hardware compatibility. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to resolve this hassle and ensure your After Effects runs smoothly. Firstly, let's address the most common culprit: an outdated or unsupported graphics driver. Having the latest driver is crucial for smooth operation. To update your graphics driver, visit the website of your GPU's manufacturer, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest driver version specific to your hardware. A fresh, updated driver can often resolve a multitude of graphics-related warnings and improve your software's performance. Once you've updated your driver, it's time to check your operating system version and hardware compatibility. Ensure that your OS is up to date, as After Effects relies on certain system capabilities that undergo improvements with OS updates. Check Adobe's system requirements for the version of After Effects you are using to confirm that your hardware meets or exceeds these specifications. Keeping your system aligned with Adobe's guidelines will enhance stability and performance. Now, let's discuss a workaround. If you've updated your drivers but continue to encounter warnings or don't have the option to update your hardware, you can disable GPU acceleration. This can serve as a practical solution by allowing After Effects to rely more on your CPU. To make this change, go to your After Effects program, head to File, then Project Settings, followed by Video Rendering and Effects. Here, you'll need to change the renderer setting from Mercury GPU Acceleration to Mercury Software Only, or its equivalent. This adjustment may lead to decreased performance, but it will help avoid any compatibility-related crashes and ensure a more stable experience. Finally, if you've confirmed that your system runs satisfactorily despite the warning, and you're neither experiencing crashes nor performance issues, you can opt to suppress the compatibility warning. This step is particularly useful if the uninterrupted message at startup becomes annoying. To do this, navigate to Edit and Preferences, then click on General if you're using Windows. For Mac users, you'll select After Effects, then Preferences, and General. Uncheck the option that says Show System Compatibility Issues on Startup, or similar phrasing. Once done, restart After Effects, and you should no longer see that message appearing each time you launch the program. By following these steps, you should be able to manage and resolve the system compatibility reports in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your After Effects experience.